Hallo und willkommen. In this video, I will cover the basics of the articles in German, uh, basically der, die, and das. So let's take this ahead. So German language has three different genders: masculine, feminine, and neutral. Masculine, feminine, and neutrum. And then there is plural. Um, Majority of the nouns, masculine, feminine, and neutrum, will have a plural form to it. So the article for masculine is der, the article for feminine is die, and the article for neutrum is das, der, die, and das. The article for all plural nouns, regardless of the gender, is going to be die. There are two types of articles: bestimmt and unbestimmt. Basically means specific and non-specific. So der, die, das loosely translates to the in the English language, and unbestimmt ein, eine, and ein loosely translates to an, which is not specific to a particular thing. While learning German, we will always go ahead with der, die, and das, and not ein, eine, ein. Please note that there is no plural form for unbestimmt. There is no einer, there is no ein. This will be the base of learning articles, and as well as later on when we move on to different concepts, it will build on the there, the, and thus. So I'll take some examples. Let's start with masculine. Der Apfel, der Apfel, the apple. Die Äpfel, die Äpfel. So again, this is the plural form of the apple to the apples. So it will, regardless of the gender, the plural form, the article for the plural form will always be die. Some sentences for better understanding. Ich habe ein Apfel. I have an apple. Ich bringe Äpfel. I am bringing apples. So here, even if it's not specified which apples I'm bringing, there will not be any article here. Der Apfel ist lecker. The apple is delicious. Die Äpfel sind alt. The apples are old. Der Stuhl, der Stuhl, die Stühle, die Stühle, which means the chair, the chairs. Ich brauche einen Stuhl. I need a chair. Die Stühle sind billig. The chairs are cheap. Der Stuhl ist rot. The chair is red. Ich habe zwei Stühle. I have two chairs. The German language has a lot of nouns, and there will be nouns where the singular form is the same as the plural form. So der Kalender, die Kalender, the calendar, the calendars. Der Kuchen, die Kuchen. There is no change here as well. Der Hefter, die Hefter. Der Wein, die Wein. The spelling, there is no change. Everything stays the same. Moving on to the feminine forms. Die Straße, die Straßen. The street, the streets. Die Straße ist nass, the street is wet. Die Straßen sind nass, the streets are wet. Die Wurst, die Würstchen. Die Wurst, die Würstchen. The sausage, the sausages. Ich esse eine Wurst. Ich esse eine Wurst. Ich kaufe vier Würstchen. Ich kaufe vier Würstchen. I'm eating a sausage. I'm buying four sausages. So other examples: die Milch, die Milche, the milk, die Tasche, die Taschen, the bag, the bags, die Lampe, die Lampen, the lamp, the lamps, die Tomate, die Tomaten. I think that's pretty straightforward. So moving on to the neutral form: das Buch, die Bücher, die Bücher, the book, the books. Ich brauche ein Buch. I need A book. Ich kaufe viele Bücher. I'm buying many books. Das Fenster. Die Fenster. The window, the windows. Ich mag das Fenster. I like the window. Mein Haus hat drei Fenster. My house has three windows. Taking some more examples. Das Ei, die Eier. The egg, the eggs. Das Glas, die Gläser. The glass, the glasses. Das Geschenk, die Geschenke. The gift, the gifts. Das Öl, das Öl, die Öle. Die Öle. The oil, the oils. Das Gemüse, die Gemüse. Vegetable, vegetables, there is no change in the spelling. It's the same word. Also to note, each and every single noun in the German language, the first letter will be uppercase. That's how the German language functions. And also note that there is no particular rule or a technique or any trick to learning the Derdi Das. There are certain exceptions, but generally we do have to mug it up as is. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped. Catch you in the next one.